use at the end of a sentence. When a sentence will complete a full sensible sentence, at that time we put full stop. Used in abbreviations means MA, Masters in Art. USA means United States of America. And come to the second example, I am waiting for the day you will be back, full stop. When the sentence will finish and it will give you a full sense, at that time we take a pause for taking breath in writing. At that time we put full stop. Dear students, here is a worksheet for you. Look at the worksheet and then go through this worksheet. This is your task. Capitalizing. Circle the letters that need to be capital. Okay, students. Number first, I want to visit Karachi in December. In this line, check and capitalize where it need. Jake and Jill are friends. Mr. Khan was here on Monday. My house is on Broadway Road. Now come to the second, punctuation. Here you punctuate the sentences. Put a full stop and question mark. These two marks we need, okay, only. Where do you live? If you think that in the at the end of this sentence it will be full stop, then full stop. And if you think that no, it's not a full stop, it will be a question mark, then put a question mark here. She is at the park. What are we eating for lunch? My dog's name is Toto. Where is the key? Do you like cake? This is a worksheet for you. Now, this is your task. Hopefully, dear students, you will understand. If any problem will there, then ask. We will here for facilitate you. Okay, students? Thank you so much.